Hi everyone, welcome to this video demo of MedalMania. My name is Siddharth and my teammates are Vanshita and Anuj, and I am here to introduce you to the project. Today we will explore how MedalMania utilize the data science and the machine learning to predict medal wins and provide a comprehensive information about medal tallies, medal details and athlete profiles in the Olympic Games. Let's dive into the demo first. This is our model and it includes the result of our model, which is absolute mean error, which is 1.692, and it also shows the country name and the medal won by the country. These are the actual medal won by the country, and these the third column represent the predicted values of our model. Let's take an example of a Hong Kong. So we have this 9 medal won by the Hong Kong. Next, in the next column, the predicted by our model is 10. So the absolute error of this particular row is 1. So if you take the mean of all the errors, you will get 1.692. So the validation data has an absolute mean error of 1.692. Similarly, it can work on other validation data. Next, we proceed to the country details page where you can explore the information about each country. This include country medal tally, medal details, and athlete profiles. Let's begin with the searching of India first. So here you can check the total medal won by the India is gold medal is 10 and the silver medal is 9 and similarly the bronze medal is 16. So the total medals are 35. Similarly, you can check each medal details in medal detail tab. Here you can check we won bronze medal in boxing. Similarly, the last gold we won in gold we won in athletics, which is men's javelin throw, and you can check all the previous medals such as we won medals in hockey, gold medals and all previous medals. Similarly, if you want to know the information about athletes, then you can switch to athlete profile. Here you can check the medal won by the athlete, the name of the athlete, and similarly the athlete profile id, which is present on the official Olympics page, and this url is used from the dataset that we used in our production model. Now let's check the details of another country. For example, United States. United States. So here you can see the medal tally of United States. The total gold medal won by the United States is 1173. Similarly, the silver medal and the bronze medal. And you can check the other details too in medal details of each medal in the discipline and the title of each event. Similarly, the athlete profiles, and you can see there is a none. This is because these are the team games. You can check like details in this is like gold medal mixed team. So you can see there cannot be a specific profile for the whole team. So that's why those columns are none. Next, for the future goals, we want to enhance our prediction model, redefining our user interface, and deploying our project on Hugging Faces platform. Thank you for joining us in this demo video of MedalMania. In the video description, you will find the link of our GitHub repository as well as the Kaggle dataset that we utilized in our model. Thank you.